Question 11. A school is creating a 4-digit student code system. For security reasons, the code cannot start with an even number. How many codes are possible? I have 5 possible 4 digits. Let's not go there. Let's forget about that one there. There we go. Wipe it. We're looking at 4 digits. For each of the possibilities. This one here can be an odd number, so it can be a 1, it can be a 3, it can be a 5, it can be a 7 or a 9. So therefore there are 5 possibilities. For here there are 10 possibilities. Here there are 10 because it can be 1 all the way through to 0 or 0 all the way through to 9. So you've got 10 possibilities and 10 possibilities out here. So the equation I need to do is 5 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10, which gives us 5,000 possibilities.